Experiencing the Wi-Fi details not working error in your Rogers Xfinity app. This means the app can't display real-time data about your Wi-Fi network, like connected devices or signal strength. This usually happens due to temporary glitches between the app and your Rogers Ignite gateway, which is your modem's router. Don't worry, the most common fix is a simple refresh and relink of your gateway within the app. This method resolves 80 to 90% of cases, according to Rogers. Think of it as a quick reset that reestablishes the connection without losing your settings. To fix the Wi-Fi details issue, start by refreshing your gateway. Open the Rogers Xfinity app and navigate to Gateway, then select Refresh. This performs a soft reboot of your modem. Next, relink the app to your gateway. In the app, go to Account and select Link Device or a similar option. You may need to enter your Rogers My Account credentials. This repairs the app with your gateway. Give the app a few minutes to sync after completing these steps. This resolves the synchronization issue. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, an updated app version of 10.5.2 or later, and a compatible smartphone running Android 10 or higher or iOS 14 or higher.